Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by connecting the physical keyboard and the computer. Plug USB or Midi cable into the keyboard and into your interface or USB Midi adapter. Once done, install drivers for both devices so the OS recognizes them and enable any class-compliant modes on the keyboard. Next, pick a DAW or a lightweight Midi host and, if necessary, install a virtual Midi driver so software instruments can receive signals. Make sure keyboard local control is set correctly. Open your DAW or Midi host and create a new Midi track. Set the track's Midi input to the keyboard's port and enable monitoring so you hear notes as you play. Load a virtual instrument and select the Midi channel that matches the keyboard, or set it to Omni for simplicity. Map continuous controllers like mod wheel and assign pitch bend range in both the synth and keyboard. If needed, transpose or set velocity curve to match your playing style for expressive response. Record a quick Midi take to confirm everything functions. Play and watch the DAW's Midi activity meter. Once done, edit timing and velocities, apply quantize or humanize as needed, and save a template so routing and mappings are ready next time. If you hear no sound, first confirm the DAW's Midi input and instrument track are armed, then check cables, drivers, and keyboard local control. Finally, increase audio buffer slightly to remove glitches without introducing audible latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.